Hi, welcome to Lagos. Wow, this place is booming. New luxury houses everywhere. But not for me. In 2017, the government decided to bulldoze our community to establish new luxury buildings. Men with guns and bulldozers entered the area. They crushed and burned down houses. At least 9 people were killed, but I was lucky. I also lost my home, but not my hope. I have joined a movement with people like me who won't rest until our right to home is respected. My community want the Nigerian government to investigate the forced evictions and fully compensate us for the things we've lost. And you can help us on that mission.